candle. One day, a little wax candle was very thrilled. Its master had searched the little candle and its family to light up the Christmas feast table. It was the first feast of the little candle. The father candle told him that they should shine radiantly. The duty of the candle was to give its best light for the feast. The whole family was adorned and set upon silver candlesticks. The daughter of the house came swaying into the kitchen. The candles had been placed there. The little girl was excited about staying up late that night. She wanted to wear a new dress for the feast. She danced about happily. In the evening, the tiny candle was shining and gave out a bright glow. The daughter came wearing her new dress. Her eyes shone as lusciously as many candles. It was a day to remember for the candles, as it was its first feast. Christmas fun. Two sisters, Lily and Sarah, were adorning the Christmas tree in the living room. Lily said, "Have you made a wish for Christmas?" "I have, but I won't tell you. It is a secret," Sarah said. The girls were too excited that Christmas was almost there. When they put up all the decorations on the tree, Lily said, "Let us wrap the gifts we have brought for our friends." So, they wrapped up the gifts with wonderful wrappers and strings, wishing them a Merry Christmas. Then Sarah said, "Lily, now I am wrapping one for you. But you have to wait until Christmas to open it. I'll make one for you too. You will be surprised when you see it," said Lily. Smiling, the two girls finished their wrapping and went to bed. Both were excited and could not sleep. They realized that the true spirit of Christmas is sharing and caring. The Guardian Angel. Once upon a time, a woman was expecting a child. She had come to her parents' home to spend Christmas. They had a warm and beautiful Christmas celebration. Her husband had passed away in an accident. The woman had come home for a much-needed rest. One day after Christmas, her parents were not at home. As she was coming down the stairs, she tripped. She was about to fall. Suddenly, she felt two large but gentle hands help her gain balance. She was shocked. As she looked up, she saw an angel smiling at her. The woman was dazzled by his white light. The angel said, "You are a true believer of God. That is why I was sent to help you. You will have a wonderful child." Then the angel went away. The woman was very religious. She was certain that her guardian angel had helped her. The Lucky Tree. Long, long ago, there was a forest. In that forest was a pretty little fir tree. Apart from the fir tree, there were pine trees too. The fir tree wanted to be taller than the pine trees. After a few years, the fir tree was tall. One day, some woodcutters came to cut down all the old trees. The fir tree was scared. The tree was also curious to know as to what would become of the wood. Then, one day, the fir tree was cut and taken into a big house. It was decorated with many attractive things. The children danced around it before opening their presents. A cheerful man then told them the story of Christ. It was the happiest evening in the life of the tree. The tree felt blessed that it was a part of such a big event. It felt lucky that it had been chosen to become a Christmas tree.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.